Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the slide control feature, meaning that the person who is sharing during a presentation can allow others to control the PPT or keynote slide presentation. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and click on the My Account button in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings on the left side, click on Meeting at the top and scroll down to the In Meeting Basic section. And here you can see this slide control option that you can turn on by tapping on this button to enable the presenters to allow others to control the presentation slides. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.